Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so I was discussing about the mindset. Okay, so it is very critical, very important. Okay, very important to know your mindset. Okay, mindset includes what all things mindset include, like your thinking, your emotions, your memory. Okay, your execution power, willpower. Okay, your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, all of these are included in the mindset. Okay, how do you think? How do you make decisions? How do you feel? What do you feel? Okay, and most of the times you act according to your feelings, right? Do you agree with me? So you have to understand your mindset. You have to start observing your mindset. In the sense, you have to start observing. You have to be critics to your own. Okay, how your thoughts are coming. What kind of thoughts are coming? Okay, how do you make decisions? How do you feel? What you feel? When you feel? Okay, you must be knowing all of these things. Okay, leadership, people say you have to be leader, you have to be leader, you have to be leader, right? But first leadership is you have to lead yourself. Otherwise it's very difficult to become leader. If you don't understand your own mindset, it's very difficult to become a leader. Okay, are you getting the point? So what do you have to do? What do you have to do to understand your mindset? One simple strategy I will share with you guys. One simple strategy, and you have to do it every time. Okay, anytime. Okay, so simple strategy is ask questions to yourself. To get clarity, ask questions to yourself. It is simple, very simple, but most people don't do it. Okay, very simple, everybody knows. Okay, but the thing is, they don't execute it. You have to ask question to each and every thought, each and every kind of thinking, each and every kind of actions, each and every kind of emotions. Okay, so make it a habit to ask questions to yourself and check whether this thought or thinking or actions are true, or you have taken this kind of thinking by assumptions, or you have taken this thinking or your thoughts from someone else without testing that you have stored in your mind. Okay, and then you are acting. Got it? So if you are doing that, you are making a mistake. Okay, if someone has said, this is you have to do like this, and you have not tested that thing, and you have just stored in your mind, you have assumed that, and then you are acting, you are in a great trouble. Consciously or unconsciously, you are in the trouble. Okay, so whenever thoughts come, whether they are from past, because your thoughts, your memory is big, right? Till the time you have started understanding the things, yeah, all of these things, all of thoughts, all of beliefs, all of habits are in your memory, are in your subconscious mind. Okay, and how do you act? How do you make decisions? What is experience? Experience is getting stored in your subconscious mind. There you make habits. Your habits are stored in subconscious mind. Okay? Your belief system is your subconscious mind. All of your beliefs are stored in your subconscious mind. Okay, so check, always ask question that this belief is something I have taken from someone. Okay, maybe your relatives, or maybe somebody else, maybe some institution, or maybe you have taken this thing in your childhood, maybe you are in school, that time you had taken this belief, and now you are acting according to that belief. That is a problem. Okay, that is a problem. Suppose in your childhood, or when you are growing, somebody said, you have to do job and you have to make living, and job is great. Okay, what do you do then? You will be only thinking about the job most of the time, right? This is only your assumption. Or somebody has said, no, business is not good, or there are so many troubles and this and that. You have assumed and kept in your mind, and now you will afraid to do the business. Isn't it right? Share your views. Okay, write in the comment box. Do you believe this, or you don't believe this? You agree with me or don't agree with me? So this is how your belief system is made. Okay, and it is very difficult to break your beliefs. Something you have assumed for years, and now you want to break it, and now you want to do in a day or 2 day or a 1 month or 2 months. No, man, it's not going to happen that way. Okay, to change your belief, it takes time, it takes effort, your emotions, okay, your feelings, your courage, your willpower, all of these things are required. Okay, so yes, so first thing is you have to observe your memory. What is stored in your memory? Ask questions, okay, to each and every thought. Okay, suppose you are getting some distracting thoughts, suppose you are getting some demotivating thoughts, then ask questions. Okay, then ask questions, why this is, what is the reason, is there something fear, or is something desire, or something else? What is the reason that is causing me? Then you will go to the root of that. Okay, suppose that it is fear. Okay, now you are going to the root. What kind of fear it is? Okay, one more question. What kind of fear it is? Why this fear? Then you go into the deeper. Because I haven't done something like that in my past, so I have this fear. Okay, great. Now I understand that why this fear. Okay, now ask question. What can I do to remove this fear? Okay, maybe 10 ideas you can write down. 10 ideas. Okay, now when you write down 10 ideas, you start executing on one or two. Okay, and then see the results, what is happening, and then make the plans, okay, and execute them. And when you execute, start observing your mind, start observing your emotions. How do you feel when something is accomplished? How do you feel when something is not accomplished? Okay, getting the point? And observe why you are feeling like that. Suppose you are not getting the results, and you are saying that I'm not getting the results. Okay, I am very depressed, and I'm not feeling good. Okay, now what can you do? Now that again, ask questions to yourself. What is the real thing? What is the truth here? Does it means that only this efforts will you give the results, or something else? I something, try something different. Something I change in my plan, something I change in my execution, something change in my energy, something change in my plan. What can I do? Okay, then now you will get ideas. Okay, now you will think that this is not sufficient. Maybe for example, you require 10 steps to get the results. Okay, 10 steps, and you are only taking 2 steps and you are expecting the results. Can you get the results? Type in the chat box. Out of 10 steps you are executing only the 2 steps. Can you get the results? Does it worth feel bad? Does it worth feel depressed? No, it doesn't. Many times what happens, we don't know about there are 10 steps to execute this and to get the results. We are just assuming. Most of the time what happens, we are assuming most of the things. Not one or two, most of the things we are assuming. So by asking questions, what will happen? You will remove your assumptions. Okay, you will say to yourself, oh my god, this is something I have assumed, and that's why it is not giving me the desired results. So remove all kind of assumptions. Whatever assumption you have made, whenever you made, it's not like today you made some assumption. No, maybe you have made some assumption 10 years back, and then assumed something, and then it became your habit, then it became your belief, and now that belief is blocking you in getting the results.